Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I am O. If you've been with me, welcome. It is snowing and cold. I guess we're going to have a white Christmas. I don't know what got my dog so stuck, but it is definitely time for us to go in the house and warm up. So why don't you guys come along with me as I share my living room and entryway Christmas tour.
Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas.
Here's what my entryway looks like when you enter the front door. It is very small. I created this little entryway by putting some mirrors from Walmart in front of the closet. In case you guys are new, there's an actual closet behind there. Also, I keep this cabinet here that I purchased many years ago from Kirkland's. I am going to share some of my Christmas decor. Some of it is old and some of it is new that I had hauled in a previous shop with me haul, and I will link that video down below, and let's have a look at what I did.
Merry Christmas, baby.
First of all, I have this canvas piece that I added to this old frame. You guys remember Home Interior? I had this frame just laying around with a picture and decided to use it. And I really love this. I like the vintage look that the frame gave. And so I'll be using this for many more projects. Next, I picked up this here vase from Walmart during the summer months, and it was only $12, and I also added those pics I got from Hobby Lobby. Here is the picture from Walmart. The Black Garden is from Walmart. This light fixture is from Amazon. I had two of them, but because I had to take my light fixture down because it started to spark, and I will be purchasing another one. Here is one of the bears from Amazon. I just added some garland and some lights. And also these candle holders I also picked up from Amazon a few years ago. And I still love them to give that warm and cozy and rustic look. And here is the entryway. Oh, we can't forget about our reindeer guy and my little candle from Bath and Body Works as well.
Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Also, next to the cabinet in the entryway, I have this basket here filled with blankets, this furry one and this cute one with this cabin designs on it. It has mooses, bears, and everything rustic in nature, and I just love it. As you enter from the entryway into the living room, on your left hand side I have this console table. Also, here is the art that I created out of the tapestry that I shared in that previous haul. This wooden snowman is from Walmart. This reindeer I got last year is from Walmart. This little light with the Edison bulb is from Amazon. I just used a stack of old books, and this wooden sleigh that I had from the Target Dollar Spot. That pot I had from TJ Maxx, and I just added that little tree that I had previously from Target. Next to the console table, you guys, I just had my 2 living room chairs with those Amazon pillow covers that I also had in the previous haul. Here is my sofa, you guys. I've had this for many years from Wayfair as well. If you are new to my channel, I also use these pillow covers that are from Amazon, and that blanket I think is Amazon as well. And this little mini pillow I picked up at Walmart last year. I didn't do too much to my bar cart. I just left it like I usually have. I just added these towels that I picked up from Target Dollar Spot many years ago, some pine cones, and some moss trees that I forgot to put the batteries in. Here's my coffee table, you guys. I kept it pretty simple. I added one of those black houses. These black candle holders came from Amazon. Just some plain white candles. And my trees from Target Dollar Spot. Beads from Walmart. That container from TJ Maxx. Just kept it really simple. And here is my fireplace that I showed you guys that you decorated with me in a previous video. I just added my black reindeer that I got last year from Walmart, a throw that I also got from Walmart that I also showed in my previous haul. And that's about it. And this is my tree, and I just kept everything the same and nice and simple and cozy, you guys. It smells like cinnamon and pine needles in here, and it is so cozy. Here is a panoramic look of the living room, and I absolutely love it, you guys. We are getting down to the wire. I do have 2 more videos coming up, my dining room and my home tour with a bonus of my bedroom. You guys, what are you doing for your holiday season? Do you guys have any special plans? Leave it down in the comments as we wrapping those gifts and getting ready for Santa to come. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll come back for more. Like, comment, and subscribe, and happy holidays. See you guys on the next video, OGs. Bye for now.